Hello, I am going to show you what I have planned to do. It seems that I decided to take too much on, and so I came to a certain point and I wanted to show you the progress I have been doing. So this is my base infographic, my main page. As you'll see, there are 5 cogs within each one. It's called How to Learn to Think, because that's what learning theories are about. Each cog is connected to one of the learning theories. So if you push on the button of the purple one, you will end up in the behavioral learning theory. And what will pull up will be this. Each screen has a quote from one of the main providers of the behavioral learning theory. They'll each have these 4 cogs in the exact same colors because they will also be rollovers, and a visual that kind of represents what's happening. In this case, stimulus response, the man is running away from the cogs that are chasing him. The orange cog will always go to the details, such as important concepts. If you roll over onto the blue cog, you will receive important people, the people that influenced in their lifespan. If you manage to get down to the green cog, you will end up being hidden by the other ones. So important issues: reject structuralism, extends positivism, radical behavioralism. And finally, if you make it to the last one, you'll have important visual, a visual that easily explains what's going on, like input in, then output. It's very, very simple in that manner. If you go back, you will see that if you make it to the green cog, you will go cognitive learning, and everything is framed in green and the green writing. We have a computer because that's what cognitive information processing is usually attached to, but we have the bright flowers because learning and knowledge brings out new ideas. Again, each of these is attached to what it would represent. So important visual will be the white one. The green one is important issues. The blue one is important people. And then the orange one is, of course, important concepts, things you should be concerned about. I don't go into full long sentences because in the eye you'll have resources where the pictures came from, which are mainly free vector images, or you will have resources that you can further research, or they could go research the names or the important word comments, such as structuralism or positivism or feedback. So the other 3 cogs will lead to the remainder of the things. I originally was trying to pull it into a PDF and create little buttons, and I found out that was not working so well. Then I ended up calling Brett, and he has been helping me work in InDesign. He's also the first one that pointed out that I might be trying to do a little too much. Thank you, Brett. If I had figured that out on my rough draft, which if I had posted enough of my rough draft, somebody could have pointed it out. But I do really enjoy my design, and I hope to further it along tomorrow. In this side, I will plan to put a video of I2C. I would save them as 2 different infographics because this one the one with the video, of course, would take more memory to be able to play. Thank you for listening. I appreciate any and all feedback that you can give me.